Hi beautiful souls, a very warm welcome or welcome back to my channel. Hope you people are doing great. I'm doing absolutely fine. So if you're new here and wondering who is this, hi, my name is Charanya and this is my channel. I do videos related to beauty, lifestyle and beauty products. So if you're interested into such content, please stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you would be notified whenever I post such videos. Today I'm going to review a hair care product which is the L'Oreal Paris Dream Lens shampoo and conditioner. I have been using this from past 2 months and it's completely over. There is a little conditioner left. So first let's talk about the packaging. The packaging of both the products is pretty good. It is very sturdy as well. I am a clumsy person. I have dropped this bottle like multiple times, like a 10-15 times, but the lids are very strong as well and it has lasted me for 2 months. Basically most of the shampoo and conditioners, the lid will break. मेरे हाथ से टूटेगा, that is like mandate. So this is how the lid opens and it is very nice. The color combination is so cute, like orange and pink. So coming to the detailings, they have given the branding in the front and then behind they have given a few details about the conditioner and the shampoo with the date of expiry and the price point. So basically the shampoo is priced at 150 and the conditioner is priced at 209 rupees. So these products always have a good offer. You can go ahead and purchase these from Flipkart, Amazon, Nykaa, and these are also available in your local drugstores. जो बाकी में beauty stores and all will be there. This is available on Health and Glow as well. You can go ahead and purchase from there. So coming to the consistency, I'm sorry I have ran out of shampoo, but then the shampoo was like a slimy consistency, just like a serum which we generally use. You can compare it to the Head and Shoulder, the consistency. It was a light white in color and it has like shimmer shiny particles. Coming to the conditioner, so conditioner is quite thick, you can see. This is the consistency of the conditioner and it is very easy to apply it onto the hair. It will get easily glide on your hair strands and it hydrates like bomb, guys, like legit. I love the conditioner more than the shampoo. Like it did not heal my split ends or the dream lens of my ends, but this has hydrated my hair so nicely. I got rid of frizz. Like I have legit frizz. If you follow me on Instagram, you will see those selfies where my hair is like one like bush, wherein the hair is one place and all my frizz are like Surajmukhi, like this. You understand what I mean, right? So that is what I love the best part in the conditioner. Like conditioner is bomb, guys. So coming to the fragrance, this has like a mild kind of fragrance, like a baby freshly has come from a bath, you know, that smell which comes, that kind of smell it has, like Johnson's baby powder. That is the fragrance you can relate to, but it will not last for long. It will last like for 1 day and 1.5 days, so that's it, not more than that. So let's see the claims of the product and how it performed on my hair. So basically my hair type is super dry. My scalp is also super dry. It will act very weird every time I use a new shampoo and conditioner or according to the climate. So this is the shampoo. This claims that it has a vegetal keratin and castor oil. Basically castor oil is a very good ingredient to have it in your shampoo because it will help in repairing your hair from within. Because I personally use it. I have a full bottle of castor oil. If you want to know more about it, please do comment down in the comment section. I would like to help you out. So next it says that intensely repairs hair lengths, and it does not repair the hair lengths because I personally used it for good 2 months and the shampoo is totally over, like पूरा खत्म हो चुका है, but there is no like effect on my split ends or the last hair lengths. It has not nourished or has done nothing, but it does work like a proper shampoo, cleanses your scalp and makes your hair nice, fluffy, and you know, reduces the frizz. So coming to the conditioner, it also says that it has vegetal keratin and castor oil, which are a good benefit, and intensely detangles with less breakage. Yes guys, this helps in detangling your hair while application. If you do like this, it smoothly detangles and there is no breakage while doing that. And I love the conditioner because it suits your hair so nicely and it nourishes from within. And this is a bomb product. I wouldn't purchase the shampoo, but conditioner, yes, I am repurchasing it. Coming to the quantity of the product, each of the bottle is 192.5 ml. Very odd number to pick though, but yes, each one is 192.5 ml, and this will last you like for a good 1.5 month if you're using it twice a week, which I do. This lasted me for 1.5 months, and the conditioner is still left because I use very little conditioner. Because post conditioner I do a lot of steps, that is why I use a little conditioner. But if you're using a good amount of conditioner, don't be, it will come till 1.5 months. So let's talk pros and cons of this product. First, this is a very beautiful product in budget. 200 rupees mein you're getting shampoo and conditioner. Like 200 rupees for a shampoo and a conditioner is a good deal. So total 400 rupees you're getting both shampoo and conditioner in pack, but you will always get a discount. So 350 rupees is a good price. Next thing is the shampoo cleanses your scalp really well. So if you're having something like dandruff or flaky scalp, this will cleanse it so nicely, and it will give that nourishment to the scalp which is required, as well as for the hair. Coming to the conditioner is really hydrating, guys. Little conditioner will go long way, and if you go through the length of your hair, it will nicely nourish, bring down that frizz, and due to it has keratin and castor oil and vitamins, it gives that nourishment from outside which is required for the hair, and it will look nice, glossy, and a little shiny. Coming to the cons, the product does have few cons. So basically the main agenda of the product is to save those last endings of your hair which is damaged and is having split ends, but that is not going to happen. It will do hydrate that part of your hair in the end, but it's not like that split end is going to stick back and you'll get healthy hair on for a long usage. Because I have used for 2 good months and there is no change, not even this much change in the hair. Itna sabhi change nahi tha, and I didn't like the product as well for the main core what they have told. So the main agenda of the product is a fail, guys. Coming to the next con, this product is not sulfate free. This product does have sulfate. For me particularly, I don't mind if the product is having sulfates, parabens and chemicals, because as long it is doing good for my hair, then my hair mujhe kuch bhi chalega, like it will go good. But few people are particular about the sulfates and parabens. For them this is a con. It does have sulfates. So will I purchase this product? Shampoo, no. Conditioner, I will. Conditioner has done a lot for my hair. It has like nourished it from deeply and hydrated it, and has made like slightly shiny. So I love the conditioner, but shampoo though, it's like just an ordinary shampoo which I used before, like Head and Shoulder and the other products. So how much will I rate this product? Out of 5, the shampoo stands at 3 or 2.5, somewhere around that, and the conditioner stands on 4 out of 5. Only con in the conditioner is it has sulfates and parabens, which is a little harmful for your hair. If someone is considering that, yes, that's a con. So like in general review I'm giving, so it will stand on 4 out of 5. Should you purchase? It's on you. I have given the whole review. You can just see the review and you can finalize what is a con and what is a pro for you and purchase it. Thank you for tuning till the last. I hope you enjoyed this video, gained a little knowledge. If you did, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you would be notified whenever I post a new video. Until next time, keep shining. Love you. Bye bye.